Good evening, this is Rava Kumar from KYP 06010009. Today we will learn about Home tab of MS Excel. Firstly, open MS Excel, press Windows plus R, then run dialog box will be open. Type your EXCEL and press enter and take a blank workbook. This is the Excel. Basically, Excel is used for calculation. It is especially used for calculation, recalculation, auto calculations. There are many cells such as intersection of rows and columns. This is the columns and these are the rows. There is unlimited, you can say that there are unlimited blocks in the Excels, unlimited cells in the Excels. Every cell has address, such as this is the A1, look here, click here. This is the I9, click here. This is the N15. That means every cell has a cell address. Click here, K12. This is the cell address of this. Today's we read about alignment group. In alignment group, this is the indent. Such as I am writing here and if we use alignment, then alignment is used for take your text closer to the cell border, such as doing this. This is going to the closer and this is the decrease indent, going closer to the left, and this is going closer to the right. That means you have not required to give the space. With the help of indent, you can arrange your text left, right. That means closer to the border. And the next option is wrap text. Wrap text, that means if you want to write your text in two lines in one cell, then we use wrap text. Such as I am writing here wrap, okay, and look here, this is in the two cell, but I want to write it in two lines in one cell. Then click here, wrap text. This is the Rava Kumar. But here, if we write here Rava and enter, then it will go to the next cell, not in the same cell. But if we write here same Rava Kumar and then do the wrap text, then it will automatically arranged in two lines in the same cell. The next option is merge and center. This helps you to make the headings, such as if you want to make a headings, then select the cells and write here KYP SDC center ARA. Select it, merge and center. Look here, this is the heading. Merge the cells and do it in the center. This is the heading. Then it is helpful in making a heading of your document. The next option is numbers, such as I am writing here 200. This is the general. That means that you write, it will show. But if change number, that was general, but you click on number, look here 200 and after decimal there is 2 zeros. Change it currency, there is the currency of dollar sign. Next is the accounting, there is a difference in a dollar sign, a space, then your numbers. Next option is short date. Look here, it is the short date. If you want to convert in long date, choose long date. If you also convert in the time, also in the percentage, also in the fraction, such as look here, there is a 200. I am typing here 200 by 3. Look here, 66 and 2 by 3. This is the fraction. But normally if we write here 200 by 3, then it will not convert in fraction. But click on it and convert it fraction, then it will convert into the fraction. And by this is in the fraction. And the next option is scientific. This will show is no scientific sense. The next option is in the text. The main difference in the text and the number is, your text is the left alignment and number is in the right alignment. So this is right here. Vaibhav. This is the left alignment, but I am writing here 12. This is the right alignment. Main difference. Text is the left alignment, but number is the right alignment. Thank you.